Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve one more problem on iteration method. Okay, so I have told you about the iteration method clearly in the previous video. If you have not seen that video, please go there. I have given the playlist link in the description, so go there, watch that video, understand the concept of iteration method, and come again here to solve this problem. Okay, so 2x, the given f of x is 2x minus log x minus 7. Okay, so 2x minus log x minus 7. So for different values, if you try, you'll get f of 0 as negative. If you want, you can try that. So f of 1 is also negative, f of 2 is also negative, f of 3 is also negative, and f of 4, if I find f of 4, it will be 2 into 4 minus log 4 minus 7. So if I find that value, it will be less than 0. Okay, so this value is less than 0. And similarly f of 5 value is 2 into 5 minus log 5 minus 7. So this value is greater than 0. So if you want, you can easily check that using your calculator. Okay, so therefore what can we conclude is root lies between 4 and 5. Okay, so root lies between 4 and 5. And second step is to find, if you have to make this f of x is equal to 0 such that it is x is equal to phi of x form. Okay, x is equal to phi of x form. So 2x minus log x minus 7 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to log x plus 7, or x is equal to log x plus 7 divided by 2. So this is of the form x is equal to phi of x form. So where phi of x is given by log x plus 7 divided by 2. Okay, so this is your phi of x. So if you find phi dash of x, so what will be phi dash of x? 1 by 2 into 1 by x. So it will be 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x is less than 1 in the range 4 to 5. Okay, so it will be 1 by 8 here when you substitute 4, and 1 by 10 when you substitute 5. So for both the values, its value is less than 1. So third condition is also satisfied. So therefore what we can confirm is root lies between 4 and 5. Okay, so fourth step, the initial estimate will be the average of those two. So 4 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2, which is 4.5. Okay, so this is your initial estimate. Next, the successive approximations can be found by the formula phi of x minus n minus 1. xn is equal to phi of x n minus 1. So we have got phi of x is equal to log x plus 7 divided by 2. So using these two equations, we are going to get the successive approximation. So first approximation, x1 is equal to phi of x naught. So it will be log of 4.5 plus 7 divided by 2. Why? Because x naught value is 4.5. So just substitute here in this equation. So log of 4.5 plus 7 divided by 2. So its value is 4.252. 4.252. So x2 is phi of x1. So it will be log of 4.252 plus 7 divided by 2. So it will be around 4.2236. You just solve using your calculator. Okay, I'm directly writing the values, but you solve using your calculator. X3 is phi of X2. So it will be log of 4.2236 plus 7 divided by 2. So it will be around 4.2203. Okay, so 4.2203. So you can stop here because both the values are almost the same. Okay, so x2 is almost equal to x3. Therefore, root of f of x is 4.22. You can write like this. Okay, so 4.22 is the root of the given function. Okay, so this is how we can solve more examples using iteration method. Okay, so next we'll see another example using iteration method. So this is the problem given for you. F of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1 is the function, and you are asked to solve for a real root using iteration method and correct it to 3 decimal places. Okay, so procedure is same. So step 1 is f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1. So first of all find f of 0. So when you find 0 you will get 1, which is greater than 0. F of 1 is 1 minus 3 plus 1, so 2 minus 3, which is minus 1 less than 0. So when it is less than 0 and this is greater than 0, therefore root lies between 0 and 1. Okay, root lies between 0 and 1. Second, we have to find x is equal to phi of x form. We have to make this f of x into this form. So x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the function given for you. Therefore x square plus 1 is equal to 3x and x is equal to x square plus 1 by 3. So this is of the form x is equal to phi of x form. So where phi of x is obtained as x square plus 1 by 3. X square plus 1 by 3. So next third step is to find phi dash of x. Okay, so this is the phi of x. So next step is to find phi dash of x, which is 2x by 3. Okay, so when you substitute 0 you'll get 0, which is less than 1 only. So phi dash of x, when you substitute x is equal to 0, is less than 1 because its value is 0. So 0 is always less than 1. And similarly phi dash of x at x is equal to 1 is 2 by 3, which is 0.666, which is always again less than 1. Therefore what can we confirm is, therefore root lies between 0 and 1. And fourth step, initial estimate. Initial estimate is the average of those two, that is 0 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. right? So last step is to find the successive approximations. Successive approximations are found by xn is equal to phi of xn minus 1. Right, so what is phi of x? Phi of x is equal to x square plus 1 by 3. Okay, so our duty is to find the successive approximations. X1 is equal to phi of x0. X0 is 0.5. So when you substitute 0.5 whole square plus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so if you do that, you'll get 0.4166. Similarly x2 is phi of x1, which is 0.4166 whole square plus 1 divided by 3, which is 0.3911. And x3 is phi of x2, so you'll get 0.3911 whole square plus 1 divided by 3, So if you do this, you'll get 0.3843. So you have to correct it to 3 decimal points. So 3 decimal points, if they are almost the same, we'll stop there. x4, phi of x3. So phi of x3 is 0.3843 whole square plus 1 divided by 3. So if you do that, you will get 0.3825. Okay, so we'll take one more iteration. So phi of x4 is 0.3825 whole square plus 1 divided by 3. So if you do that, you'll get 0.3821. So up to 3 decimal points, both are equal, so we can stop here. So x4 is almost equal to x5, so we can stop here. Therefore, root of f of x is 0.382. This is the final answer. Okay, so this is how we can solve any question using iteration method. Okay.